this YouTube video. I'm just going to briefly record my journey of studying OCAML. It's something I haven't studied since college, but the last time I studied it, it was quite hasty and bad, so I'll try to actually care about what I'm doing this time. And since I've worked so much in industry, well, 1 year so much, that I might actually find it more interesting than last time. So I might have some practical understandings. Okay, so we have our setup. So for Mac, so apparently you need a Unix-based development environment, and Mac is just close enough for it, or I guess it is a Unix-based OS. So let me just need to install OCAML. Okay. So I think I have Homebrew already, so I'm just going to install OCAML. I'm going to actually just go to a reasonable directory to set up this project. Give me a moment. Maybe I'll do an OCAML. Okay, just a small area to set up my OCAML project. Okay, so not sure what this is doing. It'd be nice if I could figure it out. Let me open a incognito. So I'm wondering what this is trying to do. Root is required. Okay, so it's setting up some sort of root directory or root path, I guess. Not sure. We'll see. Okay, so it looks like it's done. So I'm just gonna try to see if I can. Well, first, just for curiosity's sake, okay. Wonder if I can initialize OPAM state or update OPAM init options. Let me just search for. Oh, is there any way for me to cat this file? I'm gonna do something silly. See if I can, or even vim this file. Oh gosh, oh, those escape characters look very ugly. Now, if I just look at it normally, it looks fine. I wonder what's going on there. Looks normal. Just kind of these invisible-ish characters just hanging around, I guess. I wonder if they're Linux specific. I don't know why they are looking like this. Okay, before I get too distracted, what I was looking for is this spare option, or pattern not found. I guess it's not there. There's more specific. No, there's not. Okay, looks like this is already okay. I'm just gonna look at the website then. Okay, doesn't look like there's much information. Okay, so these are a bunch of jobs that will be ran. These have the same format as the same name fields and config file will be imported to that panel. Default compilers additionally used. It's up there. Okay, yeah, I think I'm getting a bit too much into the weeds, perhaps. Yeah. Just gonna do it. Oh, updated my ZSHRC. Do I need to source it? I don't need to do anything about that, okay. just gonna do it anyways. You get run it. Okay, requires an update. Okay, you can't revert this. Okay, so I guess you'll have to uninstall OCAML if you're not going to use the newer version. Jobs was set, its value is 1. Its new value will vary according to current number of cores on the machine. Okay, that's quite fancy. Not sure what that's doing. So I guess it's running these jobs. Actually, I didn't get a warning that it's out of date, so why did I update it? Error could not update. Oh crap. Okay, I'm going to pretend I didn't see that. Continue going. It's already up to date. I already ran this, but how do I know which WSL I'm running? Oh crap! Why did I just run that random command? I don't even know what it does. Okay, I'm going to run the first one, and I'm going to figure out if there's any more guidance concerning this. WSL has its own file system that's distinct from the Windows file. Why are we talking about the Windows file system? I'm not using the oh, without a recent you'll need to follow the okay, but okay, I'm getting a bit impatient. Let me just go check out download the instructions. So it says without recent version of Windows. But this is for Windows, right? I'm not using Windows, so I shouldn't have to care about that. I'm not using Ubuntu. I don't think that matters to me. Okay. Oh, I see. It's not saying Mac and WSL. It's saying WSL in parallel to these two, as in they are counterparts. Okay. What the heck is this? That looks pretty whack. Okay, so this kind of looks like a version set. This particular compile version is set. I guess this set of packages is known to build well together with this compiler version in the specific versions of these packages. I guess I don't know what is no compiler matching this is found. Did I skip a command? Probably using install sometimes back. Okay, so it wants me to do open update. I think I did that already. So I'm beginning to wonder. Actually, I'm not just gonna call it the class name. I'm not gonna take the easy way out. I'm gonna call it something else. Make a different name for the switch. Actually, what the heck is an OPAM switch? I don't know what the heck that the OPAM switch is. To check that out. Oh, it's an isolated OCAML environment. Okay, I see. Oh, it's like Python's virtual. Okay. OPAM switch create the project name. Create and switch name. Okay, so you use a compiler version, and then you put a bunch of, eventually put a bunch of projects or libraries into that, under that project name or switch name, and then you build whatever code you want with those projects. And then you can activate any switch, like you activate your Python virtual environment. Okay, I don't know too much about Python virtual environments, but the analogy makes sense, I guess. Yeah, default cannot update from, oh boy. So I wonder if there's like a verbose mode or something. Like this looks like a build target that failed somewhere. Like what the heck is going on? Don't know, like that doesn't look like even a well-formed argument. What is going on here? Oh, is it because that I screwed up? No, no such file or dirt. Oh boy. Did I actually have a badly formed environment? Because that doesn't seem right. Did I skip a step somewhere? Yeah, I don't know. Looks like I'm gonna have to figure this out. Yeah, I'm just gonna go OPAM switch list and see what compiler versions I have available and work with them. I'm not going to be too fixated about this, otherwise I would never get anything done like this. Okay, I have compiler 5.1.0, which same major version. I don't think that'll be too much of a problem, hopefully. I'll call it like 2025 spring, that's fine. Okay, so it says might be prompted to run next command. It won't matter whether you do or do not, because we're going to log out. Okay, cool. Log out from your OS. Oh, that's a bit extreme, isn't it? Why do I need to log out? Jeez, yeah, that's pretty darn extreme. Good try. OPAM init. Okay, if you got a warning about it, something is wrong. Probably running the OPAM it was meant to install. Okay. So I guess back there I saw a more complicated page. Like here, this is the official OCAML documentation. It's a bunch of files, I guess, important for setting up the OPAM build system. Like, I guess this is a traditional name, right? Whatever your build system, like CSH or bash, put RC afterwards. None is present. It defaults to some remote source, I guess. Oh, you have a global file. Okay. Don't know what that means. Mirrors of the configured package repository. What is a mirror? It's like a remote link to repositories. I never understood this. Like, I guess I should be ashamed. What does that mean? Let's take it. Yeah, see, I don't like it when they do this because, like, it's a new copy. Okay. Does it make sense? I mean, the mirror, like, it reflects something, but it's not the actual thing. I guess it sort of makes sense. Create. Okay, so it looks like it's been created. How do I tell which environments I have? Or I guess this one will show me the current active environment. No, it doesn't. It doesn't actually show me anything. Okay, but let me do open switch list. But it says I need to reboot. Okay, I'm gonna do it anyways because I'm feeling adventurous today. Yeah, it's showing this OCAML options vanilla, and it's not saying the name of the switch. Oh, it's showing it in. I need to set up my iTerm font. I'm screwing myself over like this. Need to actually do this correctly, but I don't know how. Man, this stuff is confusing as heck. Like, there's a bazillion different things going on here. I guess this is the bold font, but this is also the bold font. Like, okay, I'm not gonna use. Yeah, see, that's better. I'm an idiot. Why did I not use the default? Okay. Yeah, it looks like the switch is there already, but I'm not gonna risk it. I'm gonna end the video here and start a new one. Going to reboot my system, and then do the OPAM switch list. But I'm actually kind of curious, like why you need to reboot your system at all. Why do you need to reboot your system to run OPAM switch list? To lose your OPAM configuration at each reboot. That doesn't that actually doesn't sound like a good thing. Or why do you need to log out of your system to run OPAM switch list? Where does it? I mean, come on. Where does it say that on the? I mean, I know the AI says it, but there's gotta be some source. Okay, no, this is just the textbook. I mean, yeah, the textbook's fine. I have nothing against it, but okay, to let the new path settings take effect. But can I just source or like? What do I have to log out? I mean, hey, you know what? I'm not gonna do it. Screw that. Let me see what bad things can happen if I don't log out. Okay, so there's no warning. Didn't get any warnings. There must be a right arrow in the first column next to current semester. Okay, it's pointing towards the current switch. Yeah, we are in this environment. That's fine. Switch must have right name and right compiler. Yes, 5.1.0. Switch is right name. Yep. And try reinit or reboot. Yeah. Going to be a rebel today. Oh, what the heck? Okay, it looks like a bunch of little packages. They look like kind of PyEnv packages that you can install for OCAML, like standard OCAML packages. What's that standard Python? Like, there's this big Python website that contains all the repositories for Python. I keep forgetting the name. Yeah, PyPI. Yeah, this guy. I feel like it. You're installing it from some place like that. Let's say. Probably maintained by some pretty reasonable folks, let's hope. So I don't install a virus on my computer. Hey, I wonder like why I have to reboot. Like, is the world gonna fall apart if I don't reboot? It's written in bold too, like, but I don't like doing things without justification. It doesn't okay, it might be a good idea. So all environment variables are erased. Oh, what? I have to blow away my directory and start from scratch. Oh, that's very horrifying. That's okay. Alright, that's a good reason. I guess I would do that. Or not. No, I'm just gonna keep going. Let's see what bad things happen. Okay. This looks like we are in the interpretive environment. We have our utop. Why is it called universal top level? Okay, yep. It's intend to use Emacs or Vim. Oh. Wait, can I use Emacs or Vim? No, I'm not gonna expose my Vim RC. It's a bit embarrassing. I'll just use Vim in my VS Code. Use my Vim plugin. Okay, utop. Okay. So it says welcome to using OCAML. So I guess there's a correlation between those two, some sort of mapping that builds well. Why do I need 2 semicolons? Okay. Int equals to. Okay. What do I just put? No, I need 2. No, I actually not done that. I need 2 semicolons. I'll need a hashtag before the quit directive. Okay, so I guess it's quite serious. Okay, double check. Okay, I'm gonna reboot now because I don't feel too safe. Yeah, okay, someone, looks like they have the same worries. Don't know too much about environment variables, but I guess if I close the shell, shouldn't that reset whatever environment variables I had? Why do I need to reboot my laptop? Okay, well, I'm gonna reboot and see if utop still works.